Sean. Give me a minute.
I'll see you guys later.
Where are you going to?
I'm going now.
Okay. Oh.
Bye.
This will not enjoy me. Where's that girl doing fine girl? I want she walking like a newly born girl.
Have I got to wear it? See the way she's even drawing her legs on the ground. If I tell you how much I bought those shoes,
So they're even yours.
I tell you,
Is it the shoe that you told me your guy bought for you from Dubai?
yes, so and they are very expensive.
I don't give her again, oh. Don't give her again. Let a guy go get eyes. Or borrow make me shine.
Hey. Hey, yeah, this girl is nice, so and she bought us something. Yeah.
And we are sorry.
Freedom of speech includes freedom to offend people. Now you see, your guilty conscience has turned a burden. If you are kind because you want to appear kind, that means you have defeated the purpose of kindness.
A little more, just a little loving more. A little loving more. So children of April, you gotta know your culture. So let love miners together, brave and evil. Some deals ain't a so just say. Every time.